We started off by removing the awning, and the very first bolt is a problem. As you can see from the rapidly devolving lighting situation, this whole project was a quick and easy process. Anyway, we managed to get the awning off and proceeded to the next step, getting these backup legs out of the way and then gracefully removing the Overland Vehicle Systems TMBK rooftop tent. Now, you're probably wondering why we're doing this, and that's a good question, and we will answer that. But please, leave a comment with your guess at what all this is all about.
This should be
Next, the RCI HD 18-inch bed rack and tonneau cover adapters had to come off to make way for the super low bed rack setup I made years ago, back when we still had the Frontier, and that we also used when we first got the F-150.
You good?
Yeah.
This might seem like a step back, but it's for a good reason. But now, the Xterra has a 270 on it, and I have an RCI bed rack for sale on Overland Bound and Ebay. Links are in the description.
Right? Just getting a little bit. Walk this way.
I had to remove the crossbars because they're going to be in the way. I have some equipment I'm moving with the truck in a couple days. After this weekend, the tent will go back on with the super low crossbars for a while. Be sure to like and subscribe to see why we did this. Thank you for watching.